Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, stop 0x0000000 a Windows error code problem issue. First method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Display Adapters, right-click Display Adapter, click Update Driver, click Search automatically for drivers. Click and expand Monitor, right-click Monitor, click Update Driver, click Search automatically for drivers. Second method is type Memory Diagnostic in Windows search bar, click Memory Diagnostic. Click Restart now and check for problems. Third method is Open File Explorer. Right-click C Drive, click Properties. Click Tools, click Check, click Scan Drive. Fourth method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type sfc/scanno. Type dism/online/cleanup-image/restore health. Fifth method is click Start, Settings, click Windows Update, click Update now. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much, see you next video.